Welcome back to the channel. It's dessert time with Dèguè or Thiakry. Hello, this is Armel D from Savers. I'll be cooking some yummy food today. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel already, please do so. Let's get cooking. The main ingredient for this recipe is plain yogurt, sour cream, and sweetened condensed milk. Now let's start by soaking the millet couscous in water. There is a link in the description box for where I purchased this millet couscous that I'm using, and also you can purchase this at most African store, or you can substitute this with wheat couscous. I even tried with quinoa. It wasn't bad at all. Once all the water are gone from the couscous, you can now microwave it or cook it whichever way you want it. My couscous is now done cooking. I will just fluff it up a little with a fork and add butter, or in this case I'm using lactose-free butter. The reason I'm using the butter is because once you let the couscous cool off, sometimes it becomes so hard, so the butter will prevent it from getting hard. What I like about my recipe is I'm making it lactose free, because you know your girl is lactose intolerant, but she loves Déguè. While the couscous is cooling off, let's make our creamy base. I'm mixing here sour cream, vegan, it's coconut base, to yogurt, coconut yogurt, and I'll be adding sweetened condensed milk that I made myself. The link for the recipe is in the description box. The sweetened condensed milk that I'm using is coconut based also, and it is keto friendly. Whip it really good because the vegan sour cream tend to be really hard. There's no need to add extra sugar to this recipe because the sweetened condensed milk is already sweet. Oops, I guess I'm only speaking for myself, so feel free to add extra sweeteners to this. Now you can add the cold couscous to the creamy mixture and mix it really good. Add some milk if it is too thick to your taste. Adding vanilla or nutmeg is optional. Like you see here, I'm not adding any of those, but feel free to add it to yours. Alors la famille, mon Déguè d'aujourd'hui est adapté à un régime sans lactose. Il n'y aura pas de peur d'avoir un ventre ballonné ou de péter toute la nuit après avoir bu ce dessert. Et aussi, j'ai utilisé du lait concentré sucré fait maison à base de lait de coco et avec un édulcorant qui est approuvé cétogène. Alors voilà, vous pouvez apprécier votre Déguè sans trop élever votre taux de glycémie. La recette est dans la description avec plus de détails. My Déguè is now ready to be served and should be served cold with optional ice cube. Merci beaucoup les chéris, n'oubliez pas d'aimer et de partager la vidéo. Je vous embrasse, à la prochaine. Thanks so much, don't forget to share and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.